In this video, we are going to talk about best email marketing softwares. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Owners of businesses are always looking for ways to enhance their marketing initiatives. With a return on investment of $42 for every $1 invested, email marketing continues to be a potent marketing strategy. It's critical to pick the best software that can advance your marketing if you want to maximize the potential of email marketing. Software for email marketing is much more than just a tool for sending and tracking emails. The program transforms into a potent tool for expanding your customer base, segmenting your list, and integrating all of your marketing platforms. Here's a list of the best email marketing softwares. Let's start. Number 10. Prospects. Use the name and company website to find any person's email address. Receive authentic emails that are 100% validated and have features like catch-all, deliverable, full inbox, and disposable. Find company emails that are 100% verified. To identify professional emails connected to the website, enter the domain name. Make touch with the most relevant people and establish a crucial connection. Email addresses can be found on any website. For professional emails that are 100% verified, use the website's extension. Make connections with the key figures in business. Find a list of companies in any place for the development of sales leads. Obtain extra crucial information on each company, like its emails, phone numbers, entire addresses, reviews, and ratings. Number 9. MailFloss. MailFloss automatically removes incorrect email addresses when you connect your email service provider, ensuring that more of your target consumers see the emails you send. You suffer consequences if you send emails to fictitious email addresses. This means that fewer of your emails reach the inboxes of your actual customers and more of them wind up in spam. In order to improve email deliverability and get more of your emails into the priority inbox, link MailFloss to your preferred email service provider. We will scan for invalid email addresses and remove them daily. Commonly misspelled email providers include Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, and AOL. These email address errors are fixed by MailFloss, which also automatically updates them with your email provider. You don't need to move a muscle. Number 8. HubSpot. When a prospect opens your email and clicks a link within, HubSpot's free email monitoring software sends you a desktop notification. After a lead responds to one of your emails, take the time to customize your outreach, and keep automating it for prospects who don't. You'll spend more time closing warm leads and less time chasing cold prospects. Leads can be followed up with while you're already on their minds. Reps can set up push alerts with HubSpot's email monitoring software to follow up with leads as soon as they open an email, click a link, or download a significant file like a proposal. You can anticipate more email opens, phone calls returned, scheduled meetings, and sales when you make contact at the appropriate moment. Quit worrying about whether a lead received your email or whether they found it intriguing. Every lead's history is immediately logged in your browser and in the HubSpot contacts database thanks to an integrated activity stream. Number 7. MailChimp. Send emails and automations from a marketing platform with built-in professional guidance to attract new and recurring consumers. Send your consumers pertinent communications based on who they are and how they connect with your company. Their data identifies the times of day when your clients are most likely to interact, allowing you to communicate at the ideal moment. Using our API or SMTP, send customized transactional emails to customers to keep them informed about their purchases or account activities. By integrating MailChimp with your e-commerce platform, you can target your communications depending on a customer's purchasing habits. BigCommerce, Shopify, Magento, PrestaShop, WooCommerce, and more. Number 6. MailerLite. With MailerLite's sophisticated email marketing features, You can build subscriber lists, improve client interactions, automate workflows, and monetize your audience. Choose one of 3 editors to produce persuasive campaigns. Create custom campaigns with the HTML editor. Add extra personality with a rich text email, or use our drag and drop editor with interactive content blocks. Dynamically targeting email blocks to specific audiences will advance customization. In the newsletter editor, create a single email and assign an audience to each block so that recipients only see information that is pertinent to them. Version tracking in the drag and drop email editor makes it simple to monitor progress and redo changes. Every time you write a newsletter, you can easily check recent updates or quickly find prior design iterations. Number 5. Klaviyo. By sending targeted emails at the proper moment, you can maximize your revenue, boost repeat business, and enhance customer retention. By merely dragging in a content block, you may send dynamic information based on the surfing habits and interests of your clients. Create customized content for your audience based on detailed event information like products viewed, items ordered, abandoned carts, best sellers, coupons and discounts, shipment and order tracking. When you customize automations based on channel interaction, profile and event data, predictive analytics, and platform connections, you can create long-lasting client relationships. With Klaviyo's pre-built behavior-triggered automations, such as the Welcome Series, Browse Abandonment, Cross-Sell, Back in Stock and Price Drop, Order and Shipment Updates, you can foster retention and raise lifetime value, LTV. Number 4. ConvertKit, the go-to marketing center for creators. ConvertKit makes it simple to expand and monetize your following. For many creators, the writing and editing process of email marketing might be challenging. By assisting you with the editing process, our email designer frees you up to concentrate on creating your email's content, which is its most crucial component. Make as many customized email templates as you want. Set one as the default so that nothing gets in the way of your creativity. For a wonderful writing experience, inline styling choices make it simple to add links, photos, or videos to your email. Number 3. DirectIQ. Built for marketers, DirectIQ. Consider the setup page for our A/B campaign. Simply select your templates and one or more criteria. At your convenience, add some segmentation. You're prepared to go now. In-depth email marketing metrics are available from DirectIQ. With stunning visualizations and charts, you may obtain openings, click-through rates, geo-trackings, and even spam complaints. Start small and grow. Use our forever free plan to get started. Utilize the expert email marketing software for as long as you like. As your business expands, DirectIQ will scale up with you. Number 2. Sendinblue. In only a few minutes, create a polished email. Choose whether to create a new design from scratch or to start with a library of email template designs. Using the simple drag and drop builder, add the blocks and styles you desire to completely fit your brand and impress your audience. Personalization allows you to dynamically add text to your email, such as your contact's name, or to go much further with our advanced email personalization options. Your creativity has no boundaries with Sendinblue's infinite lists and connections. Group contacts however you choose, and refine your plan by selecting even smaller segments depending on your chosen criteria. For example, gender, location, past purchases, etc., for a more focused strategy. Number 1. GetResponse. It is a potent email marketing solution with expert email templates, user-friendly design tools, and shown deliverability. You may quickly and easily create and send pixel-perfect emails using the drag-and-drop email maker. Use sections and layouts to create your message. View setup and schedule information in a single, simple view. Preview designs on desktop and mobile devices, and improve every design with free stock images and animated GIFs. Explore the collection of free email templates with a professional design to save time and money. Browse and choose templates based on campaign objectives, then edit with your content and branding. Make your own template libraries and manage them. Maintain 99% deliverability for your email marketing campaigns while keeping it relevant for all audiences. Utilize dynamic content for enhanced personalization. Create bespoke segments based on predetermined criteria. Use the ideal timing tool to send emails at your audience's favorite time. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.